In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see multiple charts in TradingView. Whether you're comparing crypto pairs or tracking different assets, this setup can boost your market analysis. Let's get started. First, go to TradingView.com and sign into your account to ensure access to all your saved layouts and settings. Next, go to the Products tab at the top where you can find all the tools TradingView has to offer. Then, select Supercharts. This will bring you into the main chart workspace with advanced charting features. After that, click the plus button at the top left corner of the screen to add another chart for comparison. Now search for the crypto, stock, or index you want to view, and once you click it, the chart will instantly appear alongside your main chart. Finally, to see even more charts, just keep repeating the process. Click the plus icon and add as many assets as you want to monitor them all in one view. And that's how you can view multiple charts in TradingView for smarter side-by-side analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more trading tool tips. See you next time!